Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin immediately by unlocking the emergency interface. You need only the emergency call button. Once done, tap emergency and then dial the universal emergency code if regular numbers are blocked, because it forces the telephony layer awake. Make sure to hold the phone normally so touch inputs register. You do this because the emergency path bypasses some lock screen restrictions. It gives the system a chance to access shutdown options that regular UI may hide during a lock or crash. You place the emergency call and keep it active briefly, because the in-call UI exposes controls tied to core system services. Once connected to the emergency dialer, press and hold the physical power button. The phone often shows shutdown or restart options while the call overlay is present. Make sure to use the call timer and in-call menu to shift focus if the power options don't appear. This forces the device to present system dialogues rather than only app-level menus, which allows shutdown to proceed. You finish by tapping power off when the system dialog appears. Confirm and wait for the screen to go black, because that indicates a full shutdown rather than a sleep state. If no dialog appears, end the emergency call and immediately hold the power button, optionally with volume, until the device forces a reboot or shows power choices. Make sure to attempt a hardware key combination if the touchscreen is unresponsive, if nothing works. A controlled battery drain or manufacturer-specific force reboot is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.